Today I want to talk about how to use the box method for multiplication. So let's go and take a look at this rectangle. And we're going to go ahead and split it up into 4 parts. So in particular, we're looking at multiplying a binomial by a binomial. So let's go ahead and look at our problem from the original sentence or expression. So we have x plus 5 times x plus 2. And we know that these are 2 terms, so we have a separation of x and 5 and x and 2. When these parentheses, this means multiplication, right? We don't write it, but when the parentheses are back to back, it means multiplication. So it matches an area model, which is a multiplication of a length and a width. Okay, let's go ahead and fill in each of the boxes. The first box is x times x, which is x squared. And then we have 5 times x, which is 5x. That comes from this part multiplied by this part. One thing to really notice is that this length and this length are the same. So even though the x is so far away, it is x times 5, which gives you 5x. Go ahead and erase that. And then we'll do, again, this length right here matches this length. So 2 times x is 2x. And the last one's 5 times 2, which is 10. If we were to make this area model just a little bit more accurate, we might slide this over a little bit more because we know that x squared is indeed the shape of a square. So let's slide this one over just to make it look a little bit better. So we have x squared, 2x, 5x, and 10. And the last thing is we're going to go ahead and rewrite them. So take everything on the inside, and we have x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. And the total right there is 5x and 2x. We know are like terms. That becomes 7x. Copy everything else down. And we have our simplified expression after we've multiplied x plus 5 times x plus 2. All right, I hope that helps you guys out. Binomial by binomial multiplication.